There's the turnoff. Latrobe River Road, I reckon that is. Yeah, that's right, that's right. Completely missed it. Yellow slippery clay. That's actually unusual that they've let that come through. They haven't re-gravelled that. You can get the red soil country up here, and you can get the yellow sort of orangey, slippery, slimy clay. Get a bit of both up here. Really interesting how well this bike handles the corrugations. Oh, look at this yellow clay. Oh, yuck. Bit of stone to that, that's alright. Yeah, very interesting how this bike is handling corrugations. It's soaking them up. That's a bit of a game changer. There's a couple of good really corrugated corners up here. Interesting to see how it goes. Never been up here before, so we'll go up and have a look up here, see where this ends up. Comes out up the top, so we'll have a look. There's a wallaby there. Good climbers. This is called Wild Bull Track. I wonder where they get these names. Was there a bull up here that was really wild and been living in the bush, or how did they come about those names? I'd love to know. Certainly the air temperature is pretty cold today, folks. It's we've had sort of southerly squalls coming in off the ocean, the roaring 40s as I like to say, over the last 3 or 4 days, but the 2 weeks prior to that were beautiful autumn weather, so not complaining any stretch of the imagination, but certainly a little reminder that winter's just round the corner, that's for sure. We're up in the mountain ash forest now. You can see these they're still stringy barks, but we're just starting to get into a little bit of the mountain ash now. You can see the cars have been even slippery in this. You'll see these taller trees with the lighter coloured bark. We're starting to get up into the taller mountain ash forest now. There's a beautiful mountain ash there, beautiful timber to work with. As opposed to the stringy barks, which is most of the forest here, but as we get a little bit taller you get into the mountain ash, obviously, for thus the name. Oh, she's slippery. That's where you wish you had a dirt bike. And I was going to bring the Sherco today, but thought to myself, you know what, it's going to be pretty cold up here. A little bit of screen protection will be nice. A bit of wind protection wasn't the only reason I wanted to take the AJP out. I'd sort of just taken the tablet out and updated it and loaded maps on it, so I wanted to try that out. I'd adjusted the screen down to give me a bit better vision over the front of the bike and for the camera. And also too, I just sort of set up a new camera setup on my helmet, so I was sort of keen to try all these things out. So I didn't need much of an excuse to leave the Sherco in the shed and take out the PR7. So that's what I did, and it turned out to be a pretty good decision because it was pretty cold up here. So yeah, we've just come up to a few minor south, so that's a good little track. I haven't been up that one before, come up through here. But yeah, the plan was to sort of cut across here and head up to, come up to Tangill Brennan, go up to Baw Baw village. And it's actually not looking too bad, I've got to say. The weather's starting to lift, I reckon. There's a few drops of rain just before, but I don't know, I reckon it's going to clear. I just had a little glimpse of sunshine before, so I think we'll turn left and turn right and we'll head across the back way. I've never been up the back way to Mt Baw Baw, so we'll do that and then we'll decide what we're going to do from there. But certainly it's weather's not looking too bad. It's oh no, that's very high and dirty. That's very high and dirty. That little offshoot creek certainly wasn't there. But yeah, that reflects we've had a fair bit of rain over the last sort of 2 or 3 days. Raindrops. Don't like the look of that. Might get a rain radar in here anyway. I'm going to continue anyway. I've got wet weather pants on me, so we'll just continue, I think. Yeah, a bit of rain. I was sort of back up the top there a bit. I thought it was going to clear up, but there's a bit of rain around it still, so yeah, not ideal. You can see the river's quite high there. Hopefully you can see something. The thriving metropolis of Tangill Brennan. Mt Baw Baw 16. Would we go to Mt Baw Baw? Yeah, might as well, eh? 16 k's. I'll see if there's any snow. Used to be petrol here a long time ago. Now there's probably chain hire and a public toilets and not much else. So 16 k's, we'll head up there and then I think we'll beeline it home from there. Well, I made it to Mt Baw Baw, but I am frozen through. It is freezing. Oh my god, it's cold. Elevation 1475. Max speed, distance, longitude, altitude 1473. Gee, the old tablet's spot on. There you go. Bloody hell. Oh. There you go. The old tablet's spot on. There's a cafe up there. I think I'm going to go see if they're open. Oh, hopefully they are. I'll grab a coffee, otherwise I'm getting down out of here. She's closed in and very cold. Looks like the cafe might be open, we'll have a crack. Righto, I thought I was silly. Have a look at these guys. They've come up to Mt Baw Baw in this sort of weather on a scooter. Two of them. Only got open face helmets too. They must be freezing. They've got a sense of adventure far bigger than mine. I'm getting the hell out of here. It is freezing friggin' cold. Feels like 0.6 or minus 0.6 I think they said. Oh, that's interesting. Good luck, guys. Why is the bike running so? I don't know how long my camera's going to last until it freezes, but might hit a bit of high beam. Oh man, it's cold. This guy's having a bad day. Just pressurise a bit. I just come past this on the way up. That's actually a tanker of some description. How the hell did that end up in there? More to the point, what was it doing up here? I don't know if the prime mover's in there or what's in there. I think he must have just... Oh no, that's the trailer upside down, just the trailer. The wheels are this end. That is a bad day.